we're going to teach you how to change a motorcycle oil. Well, change motorcycle oil. So what we have here is a Yamaha FZ-09. And the first thing to do is you want to turn on your motorcycle so you get the engine warmed up. Also, you have to go for a ride to actually warm it up. Let's ride. Okay, so what you want to do now is put on your gloves. Any gloves will do, but make sure they're kind of thick. Yeah. Why you want gloves is so you won't get your hands all like greasy and like oily. Yeah, like slippy, and you have to like wash your hands. It's really hard to get that oil off. Also, the oil will be like really hot. Yeah, so you want to at least a pair of gloves, any color. Yeah. Usually, this has a 17-millimeter nut for a drain plug. So for previous owner actually replaced it with an 8-millimeter hex for a drain plug. You have an 8-millimeter hex to take out the drain plug. You're using a plug with this wrench. What we're gonna do is put the oil pan under, and then open the what? Okay, so we're going to put this oil pan under, and then put the drain plug out by hand. Also, the pipes are very hot. Yeah, I'll get 2 new gloves. We're filming right now. Okay, so careful. You need a big enough pan to hold all that oil. If you have small enough, it will start spilling all over the place. We'll put a magnet on the drain plug to catch all over the metal parts. Right here is the oil filler cap. So you're going to want to take it out there, right? So should I take it out right now? So it's a bit hard because those metal parts around you are really hot. So you're going to want to keep your gloves on at all times. Yeah, and you're going to want to turn it back. Yeah, and we have to let the oil pan drip in for a few minutes, or the oil will just make a big pile, a big mess, and it's hard to clean up. This is an oil filter wrench, and we use it to take off the oil. The old oil filter. And make sure not to forget where we put it. We're going to take off the old oil filter, but be careful because the oil might spill all of it. Don't drop the filter into the pan. Try not to. So, we're going to pour a bit of motorcycle oil into this filter, okay? Just a bit. Try to stop moving. It's not hot oil. It's not hot. And then you want to put your finger in some oil and put it around the seal. Do that. Now put it around the seal. Thank you. Just in case we're going. So just in case, no, don't. Just in case, just keep the motorcycle oil open in case we use it again. We gotta put the new filter on. Gross. Be careful. Oh, you're good. Nice massage. Nice massage. Oh. I don't know what's all the way on. Okay. So is it a filter or finger tight? Yes. So we're going to put the new drain plug in, so all the new oil won't be all pouring out everywhere. Yeah, in this oil. Yeah, or when you take this away. So right now, we're going to take this oil out carefully. You hear? Carefully. So.
Oh.
Make sure to tighten the oil drain bolts. So we're going to use a funnel to pour all the new oil in. Okay, got it? Yeah. Okay, so we need a flow to extra large funnel. Yeah, and we need to clean all of it out, just like wash it all out. Yeah, if we're like skylights here, look at it. See, look, so dirty. So what we want to do is put the funnel in when you take this to dig it out, whatever, and then so you put it in, and then you want to pour your new oil in. Got it? So you nearly 3 quarts of oil, okay? So never, ever overflow the oil, or you could like blow a gasket. After we put the cap on, we check the oil level. So we're going to put the motorcycle on 2 wheels, and then look at the sight glass over here. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, and right now it's filling up. Okay, up to the top. We're gonna pour out the old oil into a green jug, and make sure your parents are with you. So, and you want to take your motorcycle for a spin to warm up, and then take the old oil to a recycling facility. See you next time. Bye.